Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI, and I am in love with the color selection of this Cricut felt sampler pack. Felt is so easy to work with, and the Cricut brand is no exception. These colors are vibrant, and they're so complementary to each other. So there's a ton of uses for this felt. First of all, I just wanted to mention that I like that it is stiffer and thinner than your traditional piece of felt. It's not as pliable as traditional felt, which is why I chose to use them to make bookmarks. They were easy to cut, and I even applied a delicate iron-on decal. I love how they turned out. I just used a rotary cutter to cut out my shapes, but the Cricut machine that can cut fabric can do a great job of cutting this material out too. I know it's just a sampler pack, but I really like this Cricut felt. I got a good feel for the texture and the pliability of it. It's easy to use, I can't stress that enough, and very multifunctional. I cross-stitch a lot and use these felt sheets to complete the backing of some of my projects. So whether you're a beginner at crafting or you're a long-time professional crafter, I think you're really going to have fun making your projects with this Cricut felt. And that's my point of view.